And I am so glad to have you back. So today we are going to learn about print, the print function. So basically I'm going to share my little knowledge about print and so far what the print can be achieved with it. And I said here that when a print function is called, it means you want to print the items inside the parentheses. For example, print, hello Layla, print, hello Stephanie. Note, single and double quotes are used to close a string. Without those quotes, the print function would not be executed. There will be an error. So if you want to achieve a straight result, you have to use either a single or double quotes to close a string. Now, let's go to the example. Now let's make this work. So here I have it already, but we still have to try it again. Let's go again. We're going to redo this and see how it works. Okay, let me close this down and start up again. So I'm going to call up the print function, print, parentheses. Let me start with my single quote. Sorry, it's a mistake there. Okay, so print my parentheses. I'm going to start with my single quote here, and then I go hello Layla, and for the second, print parentheses double quote hello Stephanie, and I'm going to run this. I'm going to run it over here. Now sorry, I did not even mention the editor I'm using to run this program. I'm actually using an IntelliJ. So if you need to use this particular this to run your old program to test your codes, you can go online and type IntelliJ and download it. It's easy to use. While I haven't tried many, I'm very okay with this one, and that's why I'm sharing it with you. So if you need to use this, you can go on the browser, you can Google it and download the software and install it. Okay, let's go back to where we are. So here I have typed I've typed what I need to print out. So now let's run this. Ta-da! So here we have result hello Layla and hello Stephanie. So now let's see how this works if we try to print this without double quotes or single quotes, and then we'll see the error. Okay, let's do this again. Let's go to the next line and say print parentheses hello Stephanie. Okay, and we go print hello Layla, and then let's see what this is going to give us. Ta-da! There's a syntax error. This is shown here already in line 4 that we can see here. Says hello Stephanie, line 4. There's an error there, and there's also an error in line 5 as well. So you see, because this is not a string and it's neither of declared variable, so it cannot be executed. So except this is a variable and it has to be declared, and there must be it must be holding a value before the print can execute correctly what is supposed to execute. But at the moment this is not a variable, it's not declared, so it's of nothing to the print. The print function does not recognize it, so it can't print it. So you see, so let's get this off, and that is out, and this is out. So see what we have here, we still have our print, and let's rerun this. Ta-da! Hello Layla and hello Stephanie. So this is where we work here. Okay, thank you very much. All right, so let's try another one by doing an arithmetic expressions using print functions. So I'm going to make a comment about that. Now a comment is actually hiding a statement or comment, as we all know it, from being visible to the program. It's actually of no use, but you use the comment to describe a particular code that you need to execute, so you can go back later on to understand what the code or what the program is all about. So here I'm going to do that. I use my shift and my hash. All right, let's go. Arithmetic expression using print function. Okay, now let's work with that. So let's say print, we say let's say 6 plus 2. Okay, so let's try another one. So I'm trying to give spaces. Let's go. When I want to give space, like in line space, I just give an empty quote, an empty parenthesis. So here we go. For the next line, print, I could say 8 minus 2. And next line, space. We could say another one, print 7 times 2. All right, so let's see what this is going to give us here. Okay, let me close this down first, and we're going to run this. Okay, so I'm going to comment this. I'm going to hide this so it does not, so it does not going to comment this so that it does not work with these ones. Okay, Ctrl Z and that. Okay, so this has to be closed. Okay, so let's just work with this way, and then see, we have this. We still have a hello Steph, hello Layla, and first on line 5 we have 6 plus 2, which is 8, and you can see the space I gave here, which is an empty, it's printing an empty space, so that's why we're having a space here. And then we have 8 minus 2, which is 6, and we have our empty space here printed. And then we have our 7 times 2, which is 14. So here we have our result with the print function. And then we can try the next one, which could let's try the next one. Here we're just going to declare some variables, and we can use that variable to do a lot of things. So let's start with declaring a variable, but I'm going to comment that declaring a variable. All right, let's start with a name. Say a name equals, say, Jamie. And now Jamie is a string, so we're working with a string for now. Then later on we can work with integers and all of that. So here we have greetings. Furthermore, we're going to dive into other areas of detailed programming functions and all of the things we need to know about Python. But here is just an introduction of a print function, because this is really going to be seen in all areas of programming, because print is a major function in programming language. You use it to give out a result, so that's what we're going to use. All right, let's go back to where we are. So we have greetings. Hi. So now I want to print my declared variables, so I'm going to start with greetings. Now you see greeting, because it's declared, and now it's now on the screen because it's declared is here. We'll give you an option to choose, so that is why you can use it. But if it wasn't declared, you won't see this. So I'm going to put that there, and the sign. Further, as we proceed, we will understand why that is there. Well, actually, when you have to print this, if you're going to print out distance, you will need a space in between. Now, in order to create a space, this single quote or double quote has to be in between to create a space for your string. So that is why I'm using that. So go back there, name, and that. So let's print out. Okay, I think something is wrong somewhere. I didn't give a space here. Let's do that again. Ta-da! Hi, Jamie. Okay, I think we should also give a space here, so our work would be cleaner. Okay. Ta-da! Hi, Jamie. Now you can see the space in between the hi and the Jamie, and that is the reason why I used this here, this plus sign, and then the single quote up there, and then the plus sign, which means that this would be joined together, but there will be a space in between. So that is the result we have here. So there we are. So let's start from the beginning. We have hello Layla, hello Stephanie, and then we have our arithmetic expression here, and then we have hi Jamie, which is our already declared variable here. So because the variables are declared, it means you can print out what those variables have. What are stored inside the variable, you can print them out. So what is stored in the name here is Jamie, and hi in greetings as well. So print greetings plus name here gives us Jamie. Well, let's try another one. Let's try the next one. Let's say we can say, okay, let's say another, say games. Okay, let me just use a game. Let's say games equals Xbox. and then say sentence. and then I say that I could say that is my, oh wait a minute, I could try it this way. I could say print string, say string, say that is my game. Games. Okay. I could say plus that. Okay, so be plus then that, and then that. Okay, let's see what this is going to give us. Okay, there isn't a space between, so let me give a space between there and there. Okay, voila. Okay, that's too much space. Let's just go close. Ta-da! We did it. So that is my Xbox. Yay! So interesting, right? So thank you very much. So this is what I have today. So we basically talked about the function print. So print is a very interesting function. If you want to get a good result, you really have to follow those little rules. You have to, well, put in a string or an integer as much as you want to for the print to execute it, and you can also help the print by declaring the variable so that it can easily work with those variables, and which is what we did here. So thank you very much for having time for this. Thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe and like my videos, and also follow me as well. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.